Malaysian clients visited our factory for on-site inspection and highly recognized the quality of our JPS dental teaching simulators. Workers conducted one-by-one inspection, repair and commissioning of the dental simulators, including their circuits, to ensure product performance meets standards. The clients performed meticulous inspections and held in-depth discussions with our engineers on product details and technical parameters. After passing the inspection, the products were packaged and boxed in accordance with standard procedures. Upon completion of packaging, the goods were loaded onto vehicles and shipped to the clients.